this is Tonjia Atomic, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Medusa's makeup. Medusa's makeup is an indie makeup brand. They're cruelty-free and vegan, and they have a monthly subscription box that's just over $16 a month. And I subscribed to it. I just started. Last month was my first month. This is my second box. I am wearing everything from last month, and I'll show you what that is. I've got this green eyeshadow here in tubular. I've got that in my crease here, and I have this liquid eyeshadow here in ginger. I have that in the corner and on my lid on the inside. I used the primer, their eye primer. Oops, just dropped it. But I used their eye primer, and I really like it. It's clear. It doesn't have a color, and you can make it go really sheer. It's sort of a harder, comes in the little pan there as you saw, and you can kind of put it on with your finger, and that's how I do it anyway. I run my finger around to warm it up and then use it, and use just a light amount, and it's a perfect primer for their shadows. And I'm also wearing the Muddy Waters lip. So I really like this color as well. So I got all that, including this makeup bag, last month. And it's a really good deal. It's, let's see, it's 4 full-size items plus the makeup bag for about the same thing as you'd pay for maybe 1, maybe 2 inexpensive items. So I really like that. And I am not the kind of person that I want to spend a whole lot on makeup if I can help it. So it helps me add to my collection without spending a lot. So let's get into this month. I'm really excited. I haven't opened this yet, so this is new to me too. Let's see what's in here. So this is so cute. It's very summery and tropical. All wrapped up in tissue. And let's see what is in here. So we've got a bunch of stuff. Okay, so this tells you what's in the box, and it kind of tells you what's coming up. It says that there's a June festival box, or July Heat is On Summer Essentials, an August birthday box with extras. So that sounds really exciting. Ooh, okay. This is a summer swag box. I'm not going to look too hard at this because I want to be kind of surprised. So Lovebird Beauty. So there must be something of theirs in here. And, ooh, VIP birthday box coming in August. So if you're wondering about signing up, that might be a good time to sign up just in time for the August one. So let's see what's in here. So first is the Sun-Kissed bronzer. That's really cool because I actually need a bronzer. I don't actually use too many bronzers. I don't really contour that much, but I do a teeny bit. I've been using my Pretty Zombie Dead by Dawn contour, and I love that color. It's like a kind of muddy purple, gray brown. I don't know how else to describe it, but it works really well with my complexion, and it comes in this cute little container with the like the animal head from Evil Dead. It's super cute. Anyway, ooh, so here's the Sun-Kissed bronzer. But I have the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer, which is super, super light, and I do like that one because it's very, very subtle. But if I do want to do something with the bronzer, I'll be able to use this. It looks like there's a light shimmer. Oh, wow. That was super smooth. And that's very, very, very dark. Very pigmented. And super blendy. And it feels good. It's a little powdery feeling. It's not like super, how you'd say, buttery. But it is smooth. And it came, the pigment came off really, really well. So if you can see that, it has a light shimmer, and it's a really nice sort of light cocoa color, or medium cocoa color. So that is very pretty. Ooh, the next thing we have here is a lip paint. And it says Get Lucky. I think that's the color. Either that or they're telling me to do things. Let's see. Oh, Get Lucky. Yeah, that's the color. Oh, that's pretty. So it's this kind of bubblegum Barbie pink, which I don't wear very often, but I bet I could make some kind of a look with that. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I ordered this. I'm not going to open it right now, but it's I forget what these are called. Not a pop rock. Pop socket. It's a Medusa's makeup pop socket for my phone. I don't have one, and it was on sale. It was on sale for $3, and it might still be on sale for $3 at the website. I'm going to put the website below. But anyway, I thought that was such a good deal. I was looking to buy one for my new phone. Well, it's almost a year old now. New isn't a year old. But I was looking to buy one, and this was actually the least expensive, and I love Medusa's makeup. So you can add stuff to your box every month, too. So that's cool. So it just came shipped in my monthly box. Oh, Max! My cat's here. I wonder if will you come up here? He will not. Okay, that's okay. He wants to say hi. Hi, maybe he'll come up here. Want to come up here, Max? Maxie! Say hi, Max. Look at the camera. He doesn't know what that means. Sometimes if I point at stuff, he'll look at the tip of my finger. So he doesn't understand. But actually one time I got him to understand that, and he could see what I was pointing at. But most of the time he just thinks I'm trying to give him something. Anyway, so this next thing is an eyeshadow. So it's the same size as the eyeshadow from last month, of the tubular one that I'm wearing right now. And, ooh, this is pretty. So this is a Martinique matte eyeshadow, and it comes in this mint container. And look at the back. It's really cute. This is cute. I like all their packaging and their logo and stuff too. Oh, and I don't have a color like this. It's it's like a really mid blue, or like a cornflower blue. That is really pretty. Okay, and the very last thing in here is, oh, I just bought something like this. Oh, Max. He gets real lovey sometimes. Oh my God, he's drooling. Can you see that? Max, turn to the camera. He's drooling. Anyway, you are so silly. Mwah. Mwah. Yes, sweetheart. Yes. Sometimes he likes to boop his nose on me. So it's Lovebird Life's a Beach Sea Kelp and Aloe Hydrating face Spritzer. So that's really cool. No, honey, no. Whoa, Max. Okay, I'm going to end this. But anyway, this is the last thing. You're a goober. Okay, so that was the last thing. And then this is my cat, Max. Okay, thanks, everybody.